start today's code of Leetcode. Today's code question is the plus one. So in this, the digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in right to left order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1. Return the resulting array of digits. So in this, here are some examples. Like we have the digit 1 to 3 and it will give 1 to 4. So first, let's analyze our question. So in this, our question is like 1, comma 2, comma 3. This is our array. Okay. This represents a number. Number is 1, 2, 3. Now we have to increment the last. So our output must be 1, 2, and 4. This was a simple, easy question. So let's try it. And there's one more example I want to give as like 1, comma 9. Comma 9. Sorry for my writing. I'm just trying this new tablet. So this number is 119. Output must be 20. But how we would do this? There's one more example, like 9. Okay. So output must be 1, 0. And we have to give the output in an array form, like 1, comma 0. So we have to also resize our array. So let's try our dry form. Let's try how we would do this. Let's clear the page first. So we have two conditions. Like one condition is the last digit is not equals to 9. If it is not equals to 9, then it is easy. We will pick the last element of the array, like 1, comma 2, comma 3. We will pick the last digits and we will increment this like plus 1. So our output is 1, comma 2, comma 4. This will be the output. And there is one more. And what if the last digit is 9? And if the last digit is 9, this is if, this is else. If last digit is 9, then what would happen? It would happen like we will this like 1, comma, like 9, comma 9. Let's move it like this. Okay. 9, comma 9. What would happen in this? First, we will increase the last digit. It would be 0. Then we will check the one digit before the last second digit. This would be also 0 because it is also 9. We will increment this digit too. Then we have to add one digit extra. How we would do this? This is the trick here. First, we will loop the for loop. We will move the for loop I equals to n minus 1, where n is the size of the array. I is greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. In this, we will check if last digit is equals to 9. Then we will just put it 0, like array of I equals to 0. But no, here we will do one more thing. We will check the last second digit also. Now if I is not equals to 0 and add last second digit of I minus 1, so is not equals to 9. If it is not equals to 9, we will just increment the value, like array of I minus 1 plus 1, and we will return it directly here. Sorry for the writing again. We will return it and our answer will end here. But what if the element is 9, comma 9? It will not end here. We have to do it like in next form. After all this, we have to do it like resize it or insert the value in the first. And how we will do that? As array dot insert, we will add the position here, like array dot begin, comma 1, whatever value we want to add, and then return the array. This is simple. So it's time complexity. What would be the time complexity? O of n. As whole for loop, it is O of n. Here we are only checking the value. That's our and space complexity is O of 1. So let's check the code now. Now see, we are drawing it in C++ form. First we check the value. We check the length. Then we check if the digit is not equals to 9, then we will directly add the value in the last digit element of the array and return the digits. Then in else form, we checked it from the last digit to 0. First we checked if the value equals to 9. If it is 9, last digit, then we will put it 0. And then one digit before that, first it is not should not equals to 0. If it is 0, then we will not able to deal with it. It will give the error. And if last second digit is not equals to 9, one digit before the 9 is not equals to 9, then we'll add the one value and return digit. But if it is 9, then what we will do? We will insert the value 1 in the first at the 0th index, then return it. That's all for today. Thank you for being with me here. Please like, subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.